today we are going to show you how to create the perfect mood board. Pinterest and magazines are your go-to place. Start pulling lots and lots of inspo off Pinterest and just play around. I normally use PowerPoint so I can just cut and paste lots of images that I like. Then you kind of want to narrow them down. So kind of look at them and see if some things stand out as not being quite right. You might have some that you really love. So you want to kind of play around with them all. And then from that, you need to find your hero piece. Your hero piece could be anything, and this is the thing we're going to pull the design off. So it could be a wallpaper, it could be a fabric, it could be a piece of artwork, a beautiful piece of furniture. And once you have that, then the scheme is going to follow through. Our hero piece for this scheme we're putting together, which is a bathroom, is our wallpaper. So I've got two that I really like. So at the moment, I'm going to stick with two, and then we're going to build up the scheme and then we'll discount one of them. Okay, so we've got our wallpapers that we love. I've also got another wallpaper that I really like that we might use or we might not. And then what I'm going to look at is I'm going to look at paintwork for here. So I want to have a vanity unit in the bathroom that is in front of this beautiful wallpaper. So I pick out a lot of colours that work with it, and then I'm going to just start playing with them, isolating them on their own and thinking, okay, they all go, but it's kind of what sort of pops for me. So I've got now 3 options of paint colours. So in my bathroom, I'm keen to use a wood floor. And then we're looking at colours and we're also looking at materials. So we could go wood floor, but actually I'm going to use a tile. But I'm going to just show you for colour things so we can decide which colour to go, or rather a light oak or a darker tile. And if I put that with it, it's nice, but I think I'm preferring this. And remember, there's no right or wrong. I'm actually now going to take this out because I actually think I prefer this. Okay, and now for some tiles. So I've got a couple of options here, either going darker, which looks really nice with the wood floor. So if you think of having a shower area here and having it in that dark green, which is really going to make quite a lovely impact. However, I could also go light and bright and it gives it another feel. And then we start to bring in some hardware, so your taps, your brassware. So if I put, and again, I'm just going to play with what looks nicest. If I put silver on there, I think that doesn't work at all. It's really cold, and with all these lovely warmer colours, it just doesn't work. So I think either a lovely shiny brass, an aged brass. You could go a bronze. You could even go a copper in there because of the oranges. But these kind of ones I think work really nicely. You need to find something that kind of makes the scheme kind of pop, that is just that little added extra. So we've got our wonderful hero piece, but then what we're doing with our vanity is kind of having this gorgeous big piece in a bright colour, and that's kind of unexpected. It could be this shower area in this darker colour. It's a bit more wow. You've got wow there, but it just tips it over the edge, and there's something else that makes it really, really unique. Take your time, enjoy the process. A great scheme comes from letting it evolve.